Station anywhere around here at all. At all. No railway station at all. Anywhere. Let you know there's no railway station, no vicinity anywhere, there's no railway station anywhere around here. Let you know. Okay. You know there's no railway station at Appley Bridge, so there's no railway station around here. Not at all. Proof. See that there's no railway station around here. Nothing around here. Nothing at all. No that around here. Keep making the video. We'll find out the railway station. Nothing up there. But we give up on this one. Yeah. Railway station by Bradford, is it? Railway station by Appley Bridge, is there? No railway station, you know what I mean? Yeah. Proof, you know what I mean? Good enough proof. I'm not going to walk miles up there, I'm afraid. So, end. No station by Stansfield Arms. That's what I'll let you know. No railway station. No railway station. Anywhere round here. Anywhere round here. Can be seen. Nothing here. Can be seen football pitch down there. Can be seen nothing round here. I'll end it for time being. I thought I'd take a video for now, yeah? Yeah? Leeds and Liverpool Canal. Not sure what day it is today, sorry. Unfortunately I haven't got my glasses. It's 8:20 in the morning, yeah? It's November anyway, I don't know what day it is, sorry about that. Something like 22nd or something, or 23rd or something in November 2017, something like that. Don't know the exact date, never mind, don't really matter, does it? Anyway, on the canal, yeah. That's it, walking on the canal. Walking back to Thackley, yeah. And I found out that the railway station that somebody said was in Appley Bridge is not there. Yeah, it is not there. So, it is not there, yeah. So I'll just carry on walking. I'll do a bit of advancement, and I get some of these trees and stuff, and yeah. Fortunately, mobile does shake a little bit when you put it on advance. Zoom, I should say zoom, sorry. Zoom, yeah, on the mobile. Knock it back down. Knock it back down a bit. Oh, other way, yeah, knock it back down, eh? For some reason it's not going down, I don't know why. It's gone down now, yeah. Back to square one, yeah. So, on the canal, yeah. Thought I might as well make a video, yeah. Put it on YouTube, yeah. Let's see why not. Yeah, so, bit of a dull morning. 8:20 in the morning, yeah. And it's November 2017, that's all I'm going to say. Yeah. And I've just been to Appley Bridge. I've been to Stansfield Arms, where the railway station's supposed to be, and I found out it ain't there. Now, somebody said in the pub that it was there, and it ain't there. So I'm going to prove to them. I'm going to make a video on YouTube and prove to them, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I might not even put music on this so that it can be heard, you know what I say, you know what I mean. So I might not put music on over this, so this particular video, yeah. Can be seen the locks over there. Can be seen, yeah. Can be seen, the locks, yeah. Not like going up. That's it, go back down, yeah, that's better. Locks over there, yeah. I think I already took a video of those locks before, so beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Autumn, yeah. Autumn, morning. Of course I can brighten up the video on movie making, you see. Brighten up the video on movie making and put it on Wondershare Filmora, you see, so Wondershare Filmora, I can put it, yeah, so do that. I think I'll end the video for the time being.